Welcome to this video explaining how to use Xerox Workplace Cloud. This will be replacing the mobile print that we currently use. First of all, open your email and compose a new email message. This is where the major change occurs. Previously, you sent your email to thinkgreen@wolfcreek.ab.ca. The beginning of the new email is the same, but the end of the email will be at printbyxerox.com. So you'll need to type the entire email the first time, thinkgreen@printbyxerox.com. Now you will need to attach your file. I am going to attach a color printer test document for this video. Once you have attached the file, you can send the email the same as you used to with mobile print. Once you have received a reply from Xerox, it will give you an express code. Unlike the previous mobile print where your express code was the same each time, this one is different every time you send an email. You will need the express code from your email when you print. Now at the printer, click on the Workplace Cloud app and enter your express code. Your files will populate once it loads, and you can print as you did before. I hope you found this video informational, and thank you very much.